Hello once again everyone, and to my student, welcome back to Andre Craft Show. So today is the part 2 of our project, which is the peace lily. So to those who haven't seen the tutorial for the petal and the anther, please check the description box below. You will find a link on that. So please do that. So to begin with the leaf, before I will start the tutorial, let me explain to you really quick. Whatever the counts and the stitches I will do on this side of the leaf, it should be the same on this side, except this part here. There are some changes of the stitches here, and this should not be included in the counts of the stitches which I do here. Alright? Always remember that, and also please use the wire. The wire is very important to make this leaf look nice. So let me start the project. Start with a slip knot and then chain 30 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then one more. So single crochet all the way back. That's the total of 30 single crochet. So I'll see you when you have 30 single crochet. 29, 30. Chain 1. Now this is gonna be the start of our counting. So single crochet in the same stitch, and then another single crochet, then another single crochet. There should be 3 single crochet. Now we're gonna do 3 half double crochet also. And then after the 3 half double crochet, we will do double crochet. 1, 2, 23. So you should have 23 total of double crochet. So now we're here. We will half double crochet this part, like in the middle, half double crochet, chain 1, another half double crochet. So this is what I was talking about. So there is half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet in the same stitch. Now we will start again making 23 double crochet until here. So I'll see you here. 23. So you should have 6 stitches left for the 3 half double crochet and 3 single crochet. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry for the light earlier. So now we will just do chain 1 here, and then we'll start with 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then 3 half double crochet also. So 2, 3, then half double crochet 3 times, and then do 16 double crochet. 2. I'll see you when you have 16 double crochet. Alright? 16. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna do 8 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the center you will do 1 more half double crochet, chain 1, another half double crochet in the same stitch. Now you repeat 8 half double crochet, 16 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, and then 3 single crochet. I will see you when you reach here. 3. This time we will do a slip stitch, chain 1. Again, 3 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, and this time we will do an increase when we do the double crochet, by the way. So 1, 2, increase. Increase means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Again, 1, 2, increase. So do the increase every third stitches. So you should have 20, I think 22, but make sure you will leave 8 stitches here before you will reach in this part here. All right, so just continue. I think, yeah, it's 22 double crochet. We will count anyway. 22. So we'll count how many stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So we will do 4 half double crochet, 4 single crochet. So what you're gonna do, you just have to again single crochet 1 more and then chain 1. Then we will repeat what we do here, all the counts. 4 single crochet, 4 half double crochet, then 22 double crochet. So I'll see you when you finish here. I assume you already reached the starting point, so what you're gonna do here is chain 2, and you will be crocheting with the wire. So grab your wire, do this half double crochet from here to here. Then when you reach here, I'll show you what you're gonna do. Alright, so continue your half double crochet. I'm almost in the center of my leaf. 1 more half double crochet. This is the center stitch of my leaf. So what I'm gonna do here is double crochet, chain 5, oh no, 4, and then single crochet, then half double crochet, then another half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet. Actually, when you do a picot, normally we will slip stitch here, but this time no, we will do a half double crochet and we will insert here, and then 1 more half double crochet in the same stitch, and then just half double crochet all the way back to the starting point, all the way going back here. So I'll see you when you finish. So I assume you already finished. You just have to slip stitch after the half double crochet and then chain 1, cut the yarn, adjust the wire to make it like this to look nicer, then secure here. To assemble the piece lily, you just have to put a glue on the stick or on the wire that you use, insert it here, put some glue here also so the anther will stick to the petal, and then cover it with green yarn until here. Once you're done that, insert your leaf, adjust it the way you want it to, or maybe close here or here. Cover it 1 more time with the green yarn. It should look like this. You see? So that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye!